Let's make homemade sweet potato fries. To keep these healthier, we use our oven and bake them. For more recipes like this one, be sure to subscribe. We need a hot oven. I go for 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And while I'm there, I also slide my baking sheets into the oven so that they get nice and hot. I've got 4 medium sweet potatoes. I don't peel them, but if you don't enjoy the skins left on, feel free to peel them before slicing into fries. So that my sweet potato doesn't wobble too much, I slice a bit off one side and then use that side to stabilize the potato while I cut it. Okay, now that we have fries, let's season them. I find a bowl is best, so transfer the sweet potato fries to a big bowl. Pour over 3 tablespoons of oil and then season with a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Of course, you can add other spices at this point, but I'm keeping them simple and only using salt and pepper. Our baking sheets and oven are hot, so we are ready to bake. Divide the fries between the baking sheets and then spread them out so that they are not overcrowded. Now bake the fries, turning once and rotating the pans once until the edges are lightly browned and the centers are tender. And look at that, we've made perfectly baked sweet potato fries that are caramelized on the outside and tender in the middle. We love them. As always, the recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.